Sara just announced that she's running for president this 2028. And in fact, ayun, napag-usapan namin ni PRRD. May sinabi siya, sabi niya, although he is beaming with pride hearing that, he also feels for her talaga. Because he said na parang no amount of adulation and honor could ever compensate for the misery and agony daw of being president. Sabi niya, look at me now. Sabi niya, ito yung trono ko, like pertaining to the chair beside him na yung ano.
But just a quick follow-up on that. What's your reaction to your sister, Vice President Sara Duterte, when she announced to run for presidency?
All of us are very proud. We talked about that. But also, there's this fear inkling for her, of course. She has children who are bata pa. And, that makes all of us a target. But, well, alam namin kaya niya. Siya pa ba? Diba? Alam niyo yung ugali ni VP Sara. Mas matapang pa yun sa tatay namin. Tsaka, fighter talaga. Our Papa raised us to be that way, all of us.